In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your orders on the Patagonia website. Now, let's dive in and make sure you have everything you need to seamlessly keep track of your purchases. This process is straightforward, but it's always nice to have a friendly guide to make things even easier. So let's start by opening up your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, opening it up is your first step. With your browser up and running, you want to head over to the Patagonia website. Simply type w.patagonia.com into the search bar and hit enter. This will take you to their homepage where you'll see a variety of outdoor gear to explore. But let's stay focused on the task at hand, checking your orders. Once you're on the site, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here you'll find the Sign In option. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password. These should be the credentials associated with your Patagonia account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, there should be a Forgot Password link to assist you. This will ensure you can access your account securely and without any hitch. After successfully signing in, you'll notice that the option to sign in changes to either your account name or a user icon in the same top right area. Click on this to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains several options, and for today, you'll want to select My Account. This is your personal hub on the Patagonia website where all your account details and preferences are stored. Now that you're in the My Account section, our focus shifts to your orders. You should see an option labeled Orders or something similar depending on website updates. Clicking this will take you to a page displaying all your current and past orders. Here you can review details such as order history, tracking information, and any order status updates. Having easy access to your orders is important, especially if you're waiting on an item or need to verify an order detail. And there you have it, a straightforward path to checking your orders on Patagonia's website. Remember, being signed into your account not only facilitates order tracking, but also allows you to manage other aspects of your Patagonia experiences, like addresses and payment methods. And that's the process from start to finish. With these steps, you'll always be in the know about your Patagonia orders. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough, and I hope you found it both helpful and easy to follow. Be sure to check out other videos in our series for more tips and guides on navigating your online world. See you next time.